tiny heroes of the deep. Ever wondered how microscopic plankton supports giant whales? In fact, these tiny drifters are the backbone of the ocean's food web. So imagine billions of plankton floating, capturing sunlight and nutrients, creating oxygen, and feeding marine giants. When their populations shift, entire ecosystems tremble, influencing weather patterns worldwide. Yet their silent operations are like gentle whispers in the ocean's grand symphony. Suddenly, a mysterious shift in plankton numbers shakes the ocean's balance. A ripple felt around the globe. Their beauty and significance are astonishing. Their journey is our planet's pulse.